In this video, I will show you how to deposit money on Bitvavo. And if you aren't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to pay no fees on your first 10K. So you can save a lot of money when you have this, so feel free to check the link in the description. But anyway, let's dive into the video. So from our home screen, we're going to click on the blue button down below. And in here, we're going to select deposit, euro or crypto. So click on this. In here, you're going to click on the currency that is linked to your account. So I am on a euro account. So in my case, this screen will say euro. So enter the amount that you wish to deposit. So let's say we want to deposit 5 euros. Then we're going to click on preview. So right now we can click on payment methods. So let's do this. And in here we see a couple of payment methods. We see Ideal, PayPal, credit card, and bank transfer SEPA. And Ideal is in here because it is a local payment method in my country. So you can also select more payment methods. So we have Bank Contact and EPS Überweisung. This is a German and a Belgium payment method. So this is really location based. So you can also see which payment method has fees and which one doesn't. So the best way to transfer, in my opinion, is to transfer with SEPA. So let's click on this for this tutorial. But of course, if you are more comfortable with any other payment method, then go ahead and select the one that suits your preference best. So I'm going with bank transfer SEPA. And right now at the bottom, we can click on view bank details and we see that there are no transaction fees included. So at the top, you can enter the amount that you wish to deposit. And you can also see the details that are applicable on this transfer. So you can also click on international payment details if you are sending from another bank. So just go ahead and enter all of these details into your transfer. And when you do that with the reference, and it says in orange, must include, that is really important, then you're just basically going to click on confirm deposit, and then you will be redirected to your bank. So then you will tell Bitvavo that you are making a deposit. So again, they're reminding you to put in the payment reference. It is really important. So go ahead and do that. And after, click on confirm. So Bitvavo is awaiting your deposit. So you can go ahead and click on continue or click on still need to deposit if you haven't done that yet. So that is how you deposit money on Bitvavo. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.